Okay guys, today on Chris Does What, I'm going to be looking at this Tylon dash camera. See link below if you want to read about it. Not a bad camera, pretty good price, so y'all check it out. Stay tuned. So when you're looking at this camera, it has some pretty nice features. It's a HD camera, Wi-Fi enabled, using capacitors versus batteries to supply power. So if you unplug it, it's not going to run that long, but you don't have to worry about having a lithium-ion battery explode on your dash. You can leave this up in the window, let the sun bake it. The worst that's going to happen is it's going to melt. What this thing comes with when you take it out of the box is a DC power cable, a mount, 3M stickies for the mount. It comes with little latches so you can run the cable around your window, and a USB cable so you can plug it into your computer. It does not come with an SD card. Currently in this camera I have a 128 gig SD card, class 10. Class 10 will of course be faster for the HD quality. This is not 4K, this is 1080p, but I found with the larger 4K cameras that they tend to consume a lot of SD card. So if you're wanting to take that long trip and record the entire thing, you're say a long haul trucker or something like that, it may overwrite the start of your trip. So that's something to look at. Also, for you road warriors or truckers or anybody whose profession deals with the road, or if it doesn't, just you're a driver, a commuter, or whatever, this is your eyewitness. So it protects you against he said, she said type scenarios. If you are a road vlogger, this camera rotates 180 degrees, so you can go from videoing the road to videoing yourself talking about the road with just the turn of the camera. So to connect this camera to your phone, you simply take and you select the internet, connection, the Wi-Fi connection for the camera, and the password for this is going to be 12345678. Really simple. So we're now connected. To install the camera software, use these QR links for your application. One is iPhone, one is Android. Pause it here if necessary. Once you have the app installed, you will be able to configure this device right here from your phone. Much easier than using the settings on the camera. You can configure it here if you don't have a phone available, but this is the easier option. So I'll click here. You'll see you can do 1080 high definition, 720 at 60 frames per second, and so on and so forth. If you're looking for slow-mo, you want to slow it down, you may choose 720 at 60 frames per second. Recording length. I've set the recording length to 5 minutes. You can go a max of 10 minutes, or you can turn that off. Photo resolution, if you want to take photos from here, 10 megapixel. You can also change that. White balance, I leave the white balance alone because it's decent. Exposure, same. Date stamp, I've turned the date stamp on. I want to basically record what time something happened. Especially in traffic, you want that date stamp. If you're doing vlogging, you may want to turn the date stamp off. Auto power on or auto power off. Don't have that set. Audio volume recording set to mid. Max may get distorted. I haven't tried it, but depending on your audio scenario, you may want to try different solutions. If you have a very quiet cabin, Max may give you more to work with your video editing software. And then audio recording, I have that on. Time sync, you can easily time sync the camera to your phone time. Makes it a lot easier than trying to set the time on the phone through the menu. Format the SD card, I don't want to do that. Reset to default values and your camera software version or firmware version. So back here at the camera, if I want to look at images or videos I have on the camera, I can do it from here. So now I'm connected to that was actually a saved local file. I went and looked at the SD card. I have these videos here. I can easily download or preview a video that has been recorded. You see it's downloading right there. And then I can go back to camera. I can record, start recording here, and I could stop the recording. You'll notice that my orientation, I am upside down. In your software, you may have to fix that. I found that when I upload things to YouTube, it corrects it for me. And then you can take pictures. And it got a picture. So back to the menu. If I click on my local images, I can preview, I can share it, I can save to my phone gallery, or I can delete it. So if you're on the road and you want to upload an incident to the web, there you go. It's all done. So now let's take it for a drive and see how it looks in both daytime and nighttime driving. I will leave the audio and video as raw format, so I won't edit it in my software. And if you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's right down there somewhere. Y'all please take care. Let's see if I can hear myself talking while we're doing 40 miles an hour. We're almost doing 50 miles an hour. Still trying to talk. You think the camera can hear us? Bikers. See, that's why you need a camera. Kid could have pulled right in front of me. Going full off-road, here we go. Okay, turn on the lights. Okay. Wow. Okay, turn off the lights. Is it bright?
Yeah. Can we park next to that Honda? Okay.
Turn hard.
My hand was slipping.
I know, but you can't get to it.
Not in the parking lot. Yeah, I'll fix it.
You're fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Can't have the radio on if I'm gonna post it.
Well, you
I
can
know.
skip that.
Well, I almost killed it.
Yeah, I almost killed it.
Okay, turn on the super bright lights.
Okay. I'll be back.